Hello, and welcome to this week's PennEnergy Video News Update. I'm Stacy Schmidt. Oil prices continue to trade at 2.5-year highs, supported by a recovering economy and supply disruption fears in the Middle East and North Africa. The price of Brent crude oil is consistently trading above $120 a barrel, and West Texas Intermediate has been trading higher than $110 a barrel on the NYMEX. With gasoline prices in the U.S. reaching the $4 mark, legislators are again pushing for an increase in domestic oil to help offset rising prices at the pump. The oil and gas industry marked a solemn anniversary on April 20th, a year from the tragic Deepwater Horizon accident in the U.S. Gulf of Mexico that claimed the lives of 11 men and caused one of the worst oil spills in history. With the first deepwater drilling permits in hand, offshore companies point to improved safety measures and are eager to get back to work in the U.S. Gulf. The BOEMRE is making efforts to conduct the first lease sales since the accident by the close of 2011. Onshore the U.S., shale and unconventional reserves continue to offset inactivity in the Gulf. Drilling rigs continue to be added to Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, North Dakota, and other regions as producers work to drill and develop this emerging source of oil and gas. Shale activity is also picking up in South Africa, Europe, China, India, and South America as other regions hope to replicate unconventional production increases in the U.S. Brazilian waters continue to serve as a burgeoning oil and gas province, with Petrobras ramping up production from another pre-salt field in the deep waters of the Campos Basin. Private firm OGX has successfully appraised its pipeline and Waikiki oil fields in the shallower waters of the Campos Basin, resulting in significant increase in estimated oil volumes in the fields and bumping their priority for development. Foreseeing an increase in demand for LNG worldwide, Golar LNG Energy has ordered 6 new LNG tankers for $1.2 billion, in addition to focusing on developing new floating storage regasification units, or FSRUs. Additionally, Hogue LNG recently ordered up to 6 FSRUs. As Asian countries develop and demand for natural gas increases, LNG is expected to become more highly sought. Following the nuclear disaster in Japan, many countries are rethinking their future energy outlook, prioritizing natural gas as the leading power generation source. Thank you for watching this week's Petroleum News Update. Visit PennEnergy.com often for these stories and more.